Hey, welcome back. This is week 2 now of the Stool project. So just rinsing and repeating and creating another side panel. As you can see, I've got the side panel here. I haven't done the round off of the edges yet, but I've cut the brace slot, and now I've also cut the slot for the top step. I'm going to leave this one until I know sort of roughly the size that I want for this. So it's pretty much the same as the other one, but I've noticed that when I put it together, I made a mistake. So here's my original piece that you saw last week, but when I've cut the groove on the other one, I've done it on the wrong side. So now I've cut a new brace groove, which this one's cleaner anyway, and a slot for the top shelf. All right, so I will probably have to replicate this slot on the other piece and fill it with resin or something like that, just to make it a bit of a feature piece. And we'll go from there. So, always check your work. But I have got it now to the point where these two pieces fit very nicely together into that slot, to the point where it sticks, and this end also fits in quite firmly as well. So I paid a bit more attention to the precise length of the slot here so I could get a firm fit. And then I've also got this one fitting quite nicely here, and I'm quite enjoying having slots with rounded ends to give a nice clean look. Now I've set it back, just so you know, I've set it back this much here because I'm going to round this off, and that takes it back a bit. And then I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to cut this in or not. I was going to have a blind dado here to bring it forward, but maybe I'll just go with the round grooves. I don't know. I'll have to see how I go. So I've worked out the 135mm is how much I need for the top step. And so over here, I'm now getting ready to cut 135mm step. All right, I've got my fence set up here for the jigsaw because that's all I have to cut with at the moment. I've got my cut line, and I'm just in the process of lining up to make sure the cut is square and straight. And then I'll